it's Davide here, and thank you for checking out this video. And today I want to talk about the power of system operation that can work for you. And what I mean by that is systems that allow you to run your online business very smoothly, and they do the work for you 24/7. Also in this video I want to share with you why a website on its own is like a Ferrari without wheels. And to give you an example, in a traditional business, if you want to open a shop, let's say, and you open that shop in the middle of nowhere, is unreachable, there is no highway that can get to that shop, guess what? No customer will pass by and no one will buy from you. The marketing skills is the ability for a marketer to bring people to your shop and make sure that people are at least passing by, check it out. If it's a good fit for them, they buy it. If not, they keep going. And that's the power of marketing on itself. It's the first thing that I learned thanks to this education. Why every business needs customers is in order to survive. So it's important that they have a marketing plan in place. If we start by saying what is the first step for you when you are talking about marketing, is to create a message, or could be a video, could be an image, could be a carousel, could be a small video shade, anything really can be, as something that represents your product or service, something that represents you if you are the service, or something that represents the product. And once you have prepared those creatives, let's say, you will be able to go on social media and run campaigns. And I'm not talking about having a post or boost a post, or we are talking about serious marketing, where basically you learn how to attract new customers to your business. Let's take it, for example, it's a product you're selling, and your intent is to reach more people with your product. And how do you do that? Having a website? Yes, for sure you need to host your products into a website. But remember, a website without traffic is a dead Ferrari. It cannot run as fast as you like. So you're having this business with products, and you want to reach out to more people. So what do? You create a campaign. Creating a campaign is straightforward, very simple. Once you get into platform that you will choose, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, LinkedIn, you name it. Once you start your first, then you get familiar, you start to understand how it works, and then you get faster and faster in processing what I'm about to share with you. So all you need to know is to understand your audience. Who are the people that you want to help? Who are the people that are willing to buy your product? And secondly is, where are those people on the internet? Are they on Facebook? Okay, let's create a Facebook campaign. Then I know which country I want to target, which age group. Let's say if you're selling product for kids, then most likely you want to target parents that have kids, sometimes even grandparents. They want to buy their toys to the grandchildren. So you need to think about that. Use your common sense and understanding, okay, if that was a product I want to sell, who is my buyers and how can I reach them on the internet? And the power of automation is basically when you create that specific campaign that reach that specific audience in that specific country with the right image that represent your product. And the power of it is that once you set up a budget, let's say I want to spend $3 to $5 a day, to be able that campaign is running for me, so it's showing to more and more people every day, 24/7, even while you sleep. And this is how you get customer in business, in any niche, anything you desire to proceed with. So here is a short video that is explaining you the power of the software automation. Once I set up the campaign, I'm not touching it. I'm waiting in order that the budget is spending, it's going across the week, for example, And at the end of the week, I take analysis and understand, okay, now this has produced, I have spent $5 and I have earned $10. I've generated this total of sales, and then you make the math. And then you're looking for scaling, which is another subject. But imagine that you're spending $1 and you gain $2 out of that dollar. So if you are thinking about, even if this is something that can really work for you or not, it's a no-brainer. And you can think about that once you find what is working for you and your product is working, your product is selling, people are buying, then it's all about how can I put more money so that can I generate more sales, more clients that allow my business to survive or even thrive. Yes? So in short, this is how marketing works. And you have seen for so many years, even before the internet, the traditional marketing was also offline. And what I'm really proud of, what I learned here, is that these marketing skills not only can be applied on the online space, but definitely on the offline space. So many things that you will get to know as you go through the course and learn and invest in yourself, in your knowledge, because the knowledge that you acquire today will be with you forever. All right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, reach out and take care.